Modalist.co overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to talk about Modalist.co, which is an online dropshipping marketplace that connects retailers with a curated selection of global suppliers. Retailers can access thousands of products without holding inventory. It offers automated order processing, real-time inventory sensing, and customizable product data. Modalist also provides a platform for retailers to collaborate with emerging designers and brands expanding their product offerings. So let's dive into it guys, and let's see how this platform works. So here the main page of our platform, we have the app integrations that this Modalist can integrate to. We have the Wix, Shopify, BigCommerce, Alibaba. We have the features. We have sell on Modalist. We have the pricing, reviews, and contact us if you want to ask about anything or if you need help about anything. And here we have the start for free button and login if you already have an account. But for now, let's check the pricing first. So you can start dropshipping for free, as you can see here, but here we have three plans. We have the hobby one, which is $0 per month, where you'll be able to launch in a new e-commerce store, add millions of low-cost products to your store in an instant, and you have a 25 product limit and no premium suppliers only. And here you have the startup plan, which is $35 per month, where you have 250 product limit. And here we have the pro one, which is $90 per month, and it's unlimited, not like these two. So let's go back and let's get started for free from here. So we hit get started. So as you can see, you can continue with your Wix account, or you can just continue manually. So you need to choose which one you are, if you are a retailer or a supplier, and then you fill this information: your first name, last name, your email address, password, business name, and where is your inventory located, and where have you created your e-commerce store, if it's Shopify or another platform. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after signing up, this is the dashboard of the platform. As you can see, you can add products, you can add your products, you can set up shipping information, and you can complete your business profile from here. And also you can set up your account and get approved from here. So in your top left, you have the add products button. If you add products to start dropshipping with Modalist, you need first to add your products. Use their Shopify app for suppliers to sync your products automatically, or for brands with plus 5k products, apply to use their supplier API, or you can add your products to Modalist manually. So these are three options, and you choose the one that fits you. And here we have my products, where you can see the products that you added to your store. And here you have your retailers, the one that you engage with, and you have your orders. As you can see here, you can check your inbox if you have any message or you sent any messages. Here you have the shipping, where you can set the shipping informations. As you can see, order processing time, shipping details, shipping destinations. As you can see, you can select the destinations that you want to ship to and prices for every destination. And here you have the settings, where you have the business settings, account settings, and the sign out button. So here you have your business name, state address, and so on, all the usual information. Here you have your payments, where you can set your payments processors like PayPal, credit card, and so on, and the brand information right here. So let's see how we can add products to Modalist. So let's go to new product. So this is how you can add a new product to your Modalist platform. As you can see, you write the general information of the product, the SKU, the shipped from and made in. You give it a description and you upload the product image and images and the product options. Then if it's a variant product, you give its informations. Then the availability of the product and the category of the product. Then you hit save and your product will be saved, and you can check it from here where you have my products. So you can check all the published and unpublished products, or you can check just the published or the unpublished one. And here you have any status in Shopify, where you can select if the product is active in Shopify or the products that you put in your draft in your Shopify account. So to be able to see the products lists and the products that are available in this platform, you need first to purchase one of the plans, the paid plans, of course, of the platform. Then you will be able to see the products that are available in the platform. So let's see some products that are available in the platform just from the home page. So let's log out, let's hit sign out. So as you see, this is some of the products they have. This is just some pictures. You can hit view products, but then you need to get started first and you need to pay for the membership of the platform. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to share it with your friends and like the video and subscribe to our channel to support us. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.